Yo, how is up everybody? It's your main man again, PS Pipes. And today, mag-vlog tayo ulit mga kaibigan. It's been a while since nag-vlog tayo ng ganito-ganito. So today, papalipad sana tayo. Kaso, umulan. It's been a while din since nagpalipad ako. Mga ilang months na siguro na hindi nagpapalipad. Kasi minsan umuulan, minsan hindi. So nakakatamad. Pero yeah, try natin ngayon. Hopefully kahit maging cloudy lang, palipad tayo saglit. And I think birthday ni Stan, mamaya may konting food trip sa field. So kuha muna ako ng drone guys. Bye.
Napababa na eh sao? Oo. Power, power eh. Power.
Yakulmaan. Kulmaan.
Up, Ace, up. Landing ko rin si Ace, stall. Up, Ace. Power.
Go.
Hindi kasi mag-smile,
Yeah.
Hindi nga uno. Grabe, bro, kuba lugar mo isa eh. Oh, grabe. Tipid sa battery ning kay ano yun.
Gani ka flying no? Glide lang.
Di ba landing anay? Tipid sa battery niyo. Okay. Oh! Sus! Your window, do not go. Kita mo to, well, it's okay, as long as you can see it. But this is so, ma-inverted low pass ka? Somewhere like this. You have to make first the orientation, left and right, then right, then left. How does it? Okay, am I able to try it first? Forward first, forward. You can go forward. Always make the green light in your front, that's the tail. That's the tail of the drone, okay? The front is opposite, okay? You rotate to the left. Rotate. Always put the light in front of you. Rotate. See the green light? Okay. Go up. Ang ilan ng airframe nila ngayon. Landing! Woo! Namin sinito kay nose gear.
Pero try lang.
Or you could have them take the direct. What if they ang butante RC car tapos?
Pwede.
Hindi mo sa manong bigyan.
Okay naman ito.
Ilan na kasi
Sakto lang.
challenges na natapos mo?
Oh, nitro binusa.
So, Vista Mall tayo guys. And yes. So, yun, may plano yung club na Iloilo Radio Control Sports Club na magpatayo ng racetrack dyan para sa mga basher sa likod. I mean, racetrack para sa mga basher RC or buggy or yung mga pang off-road na RC cars. So, dyan lalagay sa likod. Not sure kung makikita nyo. Never mind, naka-track. Anyway, dyan sa likod. So, party doon kanina yung meeting namin. And yeah, hopefully ma-start na at makapaglaro na sila dyan. Kasi wala naman akong basher for now. And makahikayat ng maraming enthusiasts again. So hanggang dito lang muna ang vlog. Like, comment, and subscribe. And till my next vlog. Bye.